My name is Vartouhie Zaroukian, and today we're going to make Gatnabour, which is Armenian rice pudding. So let's get into it. Well, first we pour the milk into a pan. So the ingredients are three simple things: milk, arborio rice, and sugar. We will put it on a medium heat to bring it to a boil. This will take about 15 minutes to really bring it to a boil. But in the meantime, we will add our arborio rice, stir it in. And then we will wait till it starts boiling and the rice starts thickening. Okay, so now we're going to cover it again so that it comes to a boil quicker, and we'll wait. We will occasionally stir it so that it doesn't sear under the pot and also it doesn't overflow. So we'll be doing it a few times until it really gets thick enough to add the sugar. Yeah, so now that it's come to a boil, we're gonna uncover it and leave it uncovered so that the milk evaporates. And we are going to continue stirring it occasionally. And maybe lower a little bit more the heat so that it doesn't seize the pot. Okay, so now we're ready to add the sugar. When the bubbles start being a little bit big like this, it's getting thick enough for us to add the sugar. So we will measure a quarter of a cup of sugar and we'll add it. But again, the sugar is to taste. You can have more or you can have less even. So we're going to stir again so that it starts melting. The sugar starts melting. And we'll let it cook another 5 minutes or so. And then we're ready to devour. So this is ready now to empty in a bowl.
How do you know it's ready?
Because it's thick enough and the bubbles are quite big. Bubbles are important to check. See, it's quite thick enough, and when it cools down, it's going to be really nice and thick. So we're going to turn this off and empty it in a... Yes, please.
Okay, ulkotaan ikkoon.
Thank you.
Teamwork in the Armenian kitchen.
Yeah, and then we're going to let it cool a little bit. So now that we have the Gatnabour cooled down and everything is ready, my grandmother always finished it with a sprinkling of cinnamon, and she made the cross on it like this. This is done, and now if we can find the tester, take a small spoon to taste, and I'll serve per Gatnabour.
All right.
If you need more cinnamon, you can sprinkle more on it.
Thank you, Meds.
And see.
Amazing! It is perfect!
Very good.
Mashallah.
Welcome to Learn the Dish.
My name is Miran.
My name is Ani.
My name is Silva.
The best way to get to know a people is through their food.
Today I'm going to show you how to make tabbouleh.
I'm going to show you how to make mantı.
One of our specialties here is Armenian coffee.
We're building a community to share the traditional dishes just like your grandma used to make.
Everybody would come and ask me for mantı.
Always super proud to serve here.
Come with us. Share your recipes too. And maybe learn the dish.
Enjoy.